How to combine all PDF files into one document. So first you want to open up your browser and then search for merge PDF, and then click on the first link, which takes you to ilovepdf.com/merge PDF. Now you want to click on select PDF files and then simply import your PDF files. You can also add more files or select them all at once at the beginning. So for example, I'm going to add a second PDF file. And now I will simply click on merge PDF files and wait for it to upload all the selected PDF files and merge them together. And once the merge is done, you will simply need to click on download merged PDF, and it should download one PDF file that contains all of the PDF files that you have uploaded earlier. And once it's downloaded, you can open it and see the result. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.